Unraveling Ruthless Suppression, a guide to understanding and usage. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the phrase, ruthless suppression, to understand its meaning and how it's used in the English language. This topic is particularly interesting for its vivid imagery and the depth it adds to conversations. Whether you're learning English or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this exploration will shed light on a powerful expression. Let's get started. Ruthless suppression combines two words, each with its own strong connotations. Ruthless means showing no pity or compassion for others. It's derived from the word ruth, which historically meant pity. When someone is described as ruthless, it implies they're harsh and unrelenting. Suppression, on the other hand, refers to the act of forcibly putting an end to something. It can be used in various contexts, from suppressing a rebellion to suppressing emotions. Together, ruthless suppression describes an action or strategy that is executed without any mercy or consideration for suffering, aimed at completely eliminating or controlling a situation, group, or idea. This phrase is often used in political, social, and historical contexts to describe actions taken by governments, institutions, or individuals. To better understand ruthless suppression, let's look at some examples. 1. Historical contexts. The term is often used to describe actions by governments against uprisings or dissent. For instance, the government's ruthless suppression of the protest led to international condemnation. 2. Literature and media. Writers and journalists might use the phrase to highlight the severity of an antagonist's actions or the oppressive nature of a regime. Example: the novel depicts the ruthless suppression of citizens' freedoms in a dystopian future. 3. Everyday language. Although more common in formal contexts, it can be used metaphorically in everyday situations, such as, the coach's ruthless suppression of any dissent within the team created a toxic environment. Using the phrase, ruthless suppression, carries weight and implies a strong condemnation of the actions being described. It's important to understand the context in which it's used, as it not only conveys the actions taken but also the speaker's stance on those actions. When you encounter or use this phrase, consider the following. Context. Is it historical, political, social, or metaphorical? Connotation. What emotions or judgments are implied by describing actions as ruthless suppression? Impact. How does using this phrase affect the listener's or reader's understanding of the situation? Understanding the phrase, ruthless suppression, enriches your comprehension and use of the English language, allowing for more nuanced communication. Whether in academic writing, discussions about current events, or reading literature, recognizing the implications and weight of such phrases enhances your ability to engage thoughtfully with content. We hope this exploration has been enlightening, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures with you. Thank you for joining us.